Welcome back, Abhishek.
Ankit, I'm
Sirius
back
Network.
again. Been like really interesting and I might be annoying for people watching us, of course.
No. Serious, some serious network issue I think we guys have had, so not a problem at all. So, Abhishek, I'll just go to the contest because this will be viewed by. I have almost viewers close to 250 people who join in later, and they watch it. So I'm going to the contest from here on. That I'd like to put 2 or 3 questions to all the viewers, and I must say
Sure.
that this show, Candid with Ankit Nagpal, has been supported by Voila Accessories, and it is one of the brands which have accessories for men also under the category called Dare, as well as it has for women, of course. And these are all very conceptualized, handcrafted jewelry, which has been created by Voila Accessories. And now, of course, we have masks and gloves as well, which is the need of the hour. So, and we have Gem Mines who are also supporting brand, which is also a gifting partner, which is one of the only brand which is certified gems, operates out of Karol Bagh, and it is pan India accessible. So Abhishek, I'm going to. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah. So I want to
Lovely. So
add on Gem mine is from the gem of a person, Amit, who has been
Ji,
dear friend of Ankit. So one must visit Gem mines.
absolutely, he's a super person just like you. I had this amazing somebody. Like I said, I put out the message to a lot of people. So even Samir had said great words about you at message. If you can recall Samir, the Ritu wear.
Ankit, I lost
Can you
you.
hear me, Abhishek? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So I was saying somebody else also had great words about you before I was coming live. So Samir is somebody who knows you, who's been your ex-colleague, and you guys have worked together. So he said
Yeah.
great words about you as well.
Awesome. Awesome. Lovely knowing that. Samir is a wonderful friend.
Absolutely. So Abhishek, I have this very interesting 2 questions I'm going to ask, and my 2 questions are going to be very simple. So for all the viewers, I want to know that which is the jewelry accessory brand which Abhishek is associated with at this given point in time. So I need to know the brand name, which is a very, very easy question that I'm asking. I don't ask complicated questions at all. So this is one question I want to ask. The other is that, which is again a part of my chat that I had, that I want to know that what has been Abhishek's experience in the industry of fashion. So I'm giving you 3 options. Is it 5 plus years? Is it 15 plus years? Or is it been 25 plus years that Abhishek has had experience in the fashion industry? So people who are watching this now may have to listen to the live a little bit again because the answer is there for this question. So these are the 2 questions I want to ask. Anything that you want to add, Abhishek?
Definitely. So, to add on, the name of one of the top PR agency, which Ankit is associated with.
Okay, so I'm adding this question. Of course, like Abhishek has just kind of sneaked in the question. Is what is the PR agency's name that I am running and I'm the director of? So I'm sure you'll get that in my profile. That's the clue because that was never nowhere mentioned in our chat. But thank you so much, Abhishek, for this wonderful chat that I've had with you. And before we log out, before we sign out, I would really want to have a message from you for all the viewers who will watch it later and now about the lockdown days. What is that you would like to give them a final message before we wrap it up?
Uh, Thank you so much, Ankit. The pleasure having you here. it's been always pleasure to work, associate, brainstorm with you for any sort of project, any PR assignments, or any new launches or any chat shows, or anything, whatever we do together, and which involves a lot of creativity. So it's been wonderful always. And my message to all the viewers, thank you so much for being here, watching us. And I'm so sorry for the delay in this technical glitch. But I hope we would come back to you soon. We would be launching, Ankit, I have some surprise for you. We would be launching together something here very soon, which probably would be enticing for everybody watching us here. And I bet you a lot of them wouldn't have seen that product earlier. And that is
Wow.
something very interesting. So we will unveil, keep watching this Ankit show. And my message to you all would be stay happy, be happy. And whatever happens, it brings always something beautiful and better. So even being at home, enjoy quality time, which you have been missing all this while staying with your family and being, totally engaged with your office or work or commitments. This kind of time, pursuing a passion with family was totally missing for everybody's life. So this is the opportunity to, explore those wonderful moments and family moments and be happy and wait for something really good, which the future has kept for all of us. So stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhishek. What a lovely message to everyone, and it's full of positivity, and I'm sure we are all going to follow that. And thank you so much, everybody, for all the viewers. And even I apologize for all the glitches that we've had in terms of some technical network issue. But this video is live. It will be kept in the archive on my Instagram, so you can all watch it again with a peaceful time. And I must also tell all of you that we'll have another special guest tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and we have a guest from a very different segment, from who's an artist, who's a sculpture artist. And not just one guest, we have two brothers together on one chat, who's Kapil Kapoor and Kunal Kapoor, and they are sculpture artists. So tomorrow 5 o'clock we'll have them live with us here on Instagram. Until then, of course, please be safe and stay home, stay indoors, spread love, and just be careful. So thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Ankit, and it was totally pleasure.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
So guys, we are signing off here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, 5 o'clock, and we'll have a chat with a new artist, somebody new, a wonderful guest. And till then, keep smiling.